the illusion of gravity which Newton did not know. Imagine a universe where time doesn't matter, where invisible forces shape our reality without our knowledge, and where what we call gravity may just be a mistake in our understanding. This is not science fiction. It is the basis of one of the greatest mysteries of modern physics. The history of gravity began more than 300 years ago, when Isaac Newton formulated his famous laws of motion and universal attraction. In his opinion, any object with mass attracts another object by a force proportional to its mass and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. With this theory, we can explain the fall of an apple and even calculate the trajectories of stars. It was Newton who gave us the tools to send rockets to the moon and explore space. But there is a curious and unpleasant detail in this story. Newton, despite his genius, never knew it was gravity. He simply talked about how it works, without ever explaining its true origin. The severity of age, but I can do it, he admitted himself. In other words, our entire ability to predict the motion of celestial bodies, build spaceships, and even calculate the orbit of a satellite is based on a concept that deep down we never fully understand. What if this invisible force that keeps us on Earth is not real? It seems absurd, but this idea is not new. For centuries, the world's greatest physicists have tried to solve this mystery and have come to a confusing conclusion. Perhaps gravity is not a force at all, but rather an illusion, a side effect of space-time geometry. But how is this possible? To understand this mystery, we first need to accept a disturbing fact. We live in a world that we can only perceive as limited.